Does it feel like you're going into the boxing ring with 2023 and you're about to get knocked out? Simple things you can do so you can reset your mind, body, soul, and spirit. Hi, I'm Binahtiyah from Aware Multimedia. I create content for entrepreneurial energy healers and light workers in the spiritual business. If that's you, continue watching. Being a spiritual entrepreneur isn't easy. You need at least 10 of you cloned so that you can do all the different things that you need to do because you're not getting ready to pay those 10 clones of yourself. First, you'll need a you that is able to effectively communicate, sell, focus, learn, and strategize. If you need to imagine one of you for each item, then go right ahead. You'll need you to uptake your fruits and vegetables. Drink lemon water first thing in the morning to refresh your organs. Get some fresh air even if it's cold outside, or at least crack open the window just to refresh the stale air in your space. Declutter your digital life and your regular life. Freshen up your desk space, your home space, your room space, your relationship space. Just basically declutter everything. Above all is your ability to continuously learn. It's not only a key entrepreneurial skill, but also very valuable in life. With these things under your belt, no matter what 2023 has in store for you, you'll be able to step up and keep pace with it. Make sure you download your demo kit in the description box below to help you to get started on your marketing for 2023. We're gonna rock this, right? If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.